Hey guys, it's Martini Bomb Jr. here, and I'm just doing a simple, like, what if I was going on like a camp out with some mates in like the like a forest or something. I'll just show you what I'd bring. So I'll bring some tapes, and down there, and then like that. Just bring some tapes. I'll bring my phone. It's just a Nokia. Oops. This recording is on an iPad, by the way, so just put that there. First aid kit. Just like a it's got like a whistle. Like my wallet. Just some identification in it. A watch. Some wind and waterproof matches. Just just a little pen. Just got some tape wrapped around it in case I run out of the roll. So yeah. Just a standard water bottle. Oops. Put that right here. Headlamp. Some cable. This is another whistle. Some smoke gum. And my pocket, my multi-tool. Just some pliers. It's got a knife. It's got like a thick saw. Then another saw, and then just some other stuff. Yeah, the brand's Sheffield, I think it is. If that's how I pronounce it. Just have a look for yourselves. Yeah, and yeah, that's what I'll bring on like a camp and stuff. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. This has been Martini Bomb Jr. and thank you for watching.